For this next business issue, the National Food Authority, or NFA, has ordered substantial rice imports last July to augment our buffer stocks. But it seems that part of this import order will be delayed. In order to ensure that we have sufficient buffer stocks of rice, the NFA is setting aside money to purchase palay from local farmers. Our Bizwatch correspondent Andre Ko files this report.
NFA Administrator Jason Aquino announced that the agency is ready to buy the harvest of individual and organized farmers when the farm gate price of rice goes down during the peak of the harvest season. According to NFA Administrator, this is to prevent grain traders from taking advantage of the glut in supply.
NFA has remitted 45.1 million pesos to its field offices across the country, especially in rice-producing areas. NFA Administrator Jason Aquino announced that the agency is ready to buy the harvest of individual as well as organized rice farmers when the gate price goes down during the peak of the harvest season. According to him, this is to prevent grain traders from taking advantage of the glut in rice supply. Our Bizwatch correspondent has more details.
The National Food Authority buys clean and dry palay at the support price of 17 pesos per kilo, with additional incentives from 70 centavos to 1 peso per kilogram for delivery, 20 centavos for drying, and 30 centavos for cooperative development. The NFA is coordinating with farmers' organizations and local government units for the schedule of deployment of their mobile procurement teams when they decide to sell their produce to NFA. Under its regular procurement program and Farmers' Option to Buy Back program, NFA has procured 309,355 bags of palay. Under the Buy Back program, farmers are given the option to buy back the same volume of stocks they sold to the NFA if they want to resell the stocks at higher prices. However, these farmers will be required to pay for the additional costs for the maintenance of stocks to NFA as the harvest season peaks. The NFA expects that more farmers will sell their produce to the agency. During the last week of September this year, farm gate price of rice was at 19 pesos and 33 centavos per kilogram, lower by 0.66% compared to the week before when it was at 19 pesos and 46 centavos per kilo. NFA field offices have been monitoring the farm gate palay prices. It was highest at 22 pesos and 15 centavos per kilo in northern Mindanao and lowest at 16 pesos and 95 centavos per kilogram in western Visayas.
The NFA has 293 buying stations across the country that are ready to accept palay deliveries from farmers. NFA also has mobile procurement teams ready for deployment to buy palay in far-flung barangays.